CSS Grid is a layout system that lets you design web pages using row and column, just like arranging furniture in a room or working in Excel. You can place items exactly where you want them on two-dimensional grid, both horizontally and vertically. It's super helpful when building complex layout like dashboard, galleries, or entire web pages. In CSS Grid, you start by making a container grid display grid using display grid in the stack. Then define a structure using properties like grid template columns to set the number and size of columns, gap to add spacing between items. Here's the quick example. Here's the quick example. This creates three equal columns with 20 pixel gap between items. Super clean and super customizable. Flexbox is great for one directional layout like a row or column, but grid is better when you need to design in two dimensions, row and column together. Use Flexbox for simple alignment and grid when building full page, section, galleries, or complex structure. Both are powerful. Use the right one for the right job.